So I just drove from San Francisco to Tiburon, and I just parked right now. And you know the Prius, okay, here you go. Yeah, I could sit my hands there. I'm literally putting the back of my skin on my fingers right on the rotor. And I just drove 17 miles. That is how little the brakes are. And I just drove up hills. To get here, I just drove up hills. That is how little the brakes are used in a hybrid. God, my car's dirty. Because of the braking is taken care of by the hybrid battery, doing the regenerative braking to charge the battery. And if you know how to use your brakes by just tapping them instead of pushing hard, you could make the majority of all the braking happen through your batteries and not by your brakes or rotors. This is the original rotors with 180-some-thousand miles on them. I just changed pads probably not 2,000 miles ago. And oh, and by the way, I did the cardinal no. I didn't turn the rotors. I just slapped pads like a backyard hack. But if you know how Prius don't wear out rotors, or don't even wear out pads barely, you understand why.